OnePlus has introduced the OnePlus Buds Ace 3 in China, launching alongside the OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra. The new earbuds sit in a crowded space, but on paper, they try to cover a bit of everything, from noise cancellation to gaming-focused features. The Buds Ace 3 come with a 12mm dynamic driver, which is fairly standard in this segment. It supports high-res audio through LHDC 5.0, with high bitrate streaming and sampling rate of up to 96 kHz. It also has a 10-band equalizer, and something OnePlus calls BassWave for additional tuning, along with spatial audio support. The earbuds are rated for up to 55 dB active noise cancellation with wide frequency coverage. As usual, the real-world experience will depend on fit and environment, but OnePlus is also leaning on adaptive algorithms to adjust noise reduction in real time. For calls, there's a triple microphone setup paired with AI-based noise reduction to cut down background noise, including wind. There's also a noticeable focus on gaming. The Buds Ace 3 promise latency as low as 47 milliseconds, along with sound tuning that emphasizes directional cues like footsteps. Moreover, OnePlus claims up to 54 hours of total playback with the case. The earbuds themselves are rated for around 13 hours without noise cancellation, or about 7 hours with it turned on. Fast charging is supported, though exact charging times aren't mentioned. Other features include Bluetooth 6.0, dual device connectivity, touch controls with sliding gestures, and even AI translation support across more than 20 languages. The earbuds are rated IP55 for dust and water resistance, which should be enough for everyday use and workouts. In China, the OnePlus Buds Ace 3 are priced at 329 Chinese yuan, roughly $48 or 4,600 rupees. It is available through the Oppo online store.